In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review the Xero Bank Reconciliation Summary Report. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the report, how to set the right period and bank account, and what to look for, so your balances make sense. First, open Xero and head to the reporting area. This is your hub for all financial reports. From there, choose All Reports so you can see the full list available to you. In that list, look for the Reconciliation section. This is where Xero groups tools that help you compare your books to your bank activity. Now, select Bank Reconciliation. This report summarizes how your bank statement lines connect to the transactions recorded in Xero, highlighting what's been reconciled and what still needs attention. It's one of the quickest ways to confirm your bank balance in Xero lines up with your actual bank. Before you run the report, set the date range. Choose month to date if you're checking progress during the current month. This gives you a leap snapshot, which is perfect for regular reviews. If you're closing a past period or want a specific snapshot, select the month you want from the picker. That locks the report to that period, which is helpful for month-end checks and comparisons. You'll also see quick options like this month, this quarter, or this financial year. These shortcuts are great when you need a broader view without manually selecting start and end dates. Pick the option that best matches the review you're doing today. Next, choose the bank account. If you manage multiple bank accounts, make sure you select the exact one you want to review. Each account has its own reconciliation status, so accuracy here matters. A common mistake is running the right date range on the wrong account, which can lead to confusing results. Once your date range and bank account are set, click Update. Xero will refresh the report using the filters you selected. On the summary, pay attention to the statement balance, the balance in Xero, and any unreconciled statement lines. If the balances don't align, scan for outstanding payments or receipts waiting to be matched. A few unreconciled items can be normal mid-month, but large or aging differences usually mean something needs review. That's it. You've navigated to the bank reconciliation report, set the appropriate period, picked the correct bank account, and refreshed the results. Use this report regularly to keep your books clean, spot issues early, and close your periods with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling.